I just got myself a new kitchen gadget and I feel like I can't stop slicing and dicing vegetables. This is so awesome. So this is one of those 8-in-1 veggie choppers, but it's more than just chopping veggies. So I have been here like slicing potatoes. Can we talk about how awesome this is? Check this out. Look how thinly sliced these are. So you do have like the little mandolin here, but one of the things that I really love is that it comes with this little guard. So you just kind of take whatever you're using, you just kind of stick it in there because it's got like the little metal pokes, and then we kind of just grab it and we just slice it through, and then they come flying down here in the bottom, which I think is really cool. Again, first time using it, so it's going to take me a minute to get used to it, but I think I did a pretty good job. This is going to be fantastic for scalloped potatoes. And the other thing I really love is that these things just pop out like this, so then I can take, you got to be very careful, obviously, and we're just going to clean this, and then when you're done, when it's dried, it just slides right into here because we have so many different plates. You have like grating, you can julienne, you have another thickness here if you want a thicker potato. All kinds of different ones that you can be using. So you can just pop those ones in and out, which I think is really cool. And then my favorite one, so I'm going to kind of play around with this for a second. So I'm going to take these potatoes out. So I have been dicing up some veggies here. So this one, you just kind of switch the tops, and then I'm actually going to go smaller on these ones. So I was messing around with this one here. So this, do not stick your finger in there. I made the mistake of doing that one time and completely slicing my finger. This is so sharp. So this just pops out like this. So this is the bigger one, and you do have the smaller one right here. So then this just pops right in and you lock it into place. And then whatever veggies you're chopping, you just put right here, and then you're going to bring down and it's going to push it right on through. I'm just going to show you, I'm going to demonstrate with a cucumber. Cucumbers are easier to cut through. I know a lot of people are really concerned because they, you know, see these, and like when you're doing like an onion or a pepper, you do have to put a little bit of pressure into it. My favorite thing is to just slam it down and just slam it down, and then it just kind of goes so fast. It makes it super simple. And just give it like a little hit, and then as you can see, it just comes popping out, and then there are no issues. But then I can't get this open. Hold on, there we go. And check that out. Look at those veggies, so nicely chopped. Obviously, I have these ones longer because that's the way I put it. So you can always cut these in half to make them even smaller if you wanted to when you put them on the little chopper part. But yeah, this thing is so awesome. Such a great gadget to have. These things tend to be a little bit difficult to clean, but they do give you a brush. They even give you this cool like little fork right here so that you can actually clean this up here. So you're going to take that and go through that, and then it makes it a lot easier. But yeah, it is an 8-in-1. As you can see, I've got these veggies, I've got the potatoes. We can grate, we can slice, we can dice. It does it all. This is so cool.